Hello everybody, my name is Dominic Stein. I am from the company ePhysics, and in today's video I will continue with our theory of heat project. So today I will mainly talk about energy degradation. Now energy degradation is strongly connected to the second law of thermodynamics. This law states that the entropy of any isolated system remains the same or increases. Well, entropy is basically degraded energy, and degraded energy is actually thermal energy of any isolated system which is unavailable to produce work. Furthermore, you may never forget that degraded energy or entropy never ceases to exist. It is always there, just unavailable for us to capture and reuse it so that it can produce more work. Furthermore, energy degradation often occurs in places such as a thermal power station in which heat energy gets converted into electricity. During this cycle, a lot of the initial energy actually escapes the power station in the form of heat and steam and then enters the atmosphere. Now this heat or steam is what we call degraded energy or entropy. Another example of energy degradation would be in a light bulb. Let's say we use 100 watts to power a light bulb. 100 watts are basically 100 joules per second. However, due to energy degradation, only a small fragment of those 100 watts are used to produce actual light. The rest of the energy degrades and escapes the light bulb in the form of heat. This is also why many light bulbs, or pretty much all light bulbs, heat up when you leave them on for a longer amount of time due to the degraded energy. Now, my last example for energy degradation is energy degradation in a combustion engine. Now, in a combustion engine, a lot of the initial energy gets lost during the whole process, so that in the end, only 25% of the initial energy is used to produce work. About 40% of the initial energy gets lost in the form of exhaust gases, which get produced when the fuel gets ignited to produce steam. An additional 30% gets lost due to the coolant inside of the system. Lastly, 5% of the initial energy, gets lost due to friction which happens inside of the system. This friction then creates heat, and this heat escapes, of course. And that has been the whole video. How energy degradation occurs in different systems, what degraded energy is, what entropy is, and yeah. Thank you all for watching. I'm Dominic Stein from ePhysics, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.